In this module, we're going to show you how to set up email follow-ups and automation so you can keep connecting with your audience, nurture trust, and turn one-time buyers into loyal customers. Email is still one of the most profitable marketing tools available. Why? Because it lets you own your audience. Social media can change overnight, algorithms can shift, but when you have someone's email, you have direct access to your customer anytime. That's why every digital product business should start building an email list from day one. Here's how it works. Step 1. Capture the email. This usually happens on your opt-in or landing page. You offer a freebie, like a checklist, a journal, or a guide, and in return they give you their email address. Step 2. Deliver the lead magnet. Your email software sends out an automated message with a download link or delivery instructions. Step 3. Follow up. Over the next few days, your emails help build a relationship. You can share quick wins, stories, or insights, and introduce your products in a natural, helpful way. Now, let's talk about tools. The email marketing platform we recommend is Aweber. Aweber is beginner-friendly and gives you up to 500 subscribers for free, including automation and sign-up forms. It's reliable, easy to use, and perfect if you're just starting out with no list. You can find the link to create your free Aweber account right below this video. Of course, there are other solid options you can explore, including ConvertKit, clean interface, great for creators, Mailer Lite, simple, affordable, with automation features. GetResponse, more advanced, good for scaling ActiveCampaign, very powerful, best if you want complex automations later. Most of these platforms let you build welcome sequences, abandoned cart follow-ups, promotional campaigns, weekly newsletters. Even with just a handful of emails, you can start turning interest into sales on autopilot. And here's a powerful bonus tip. When someone buys your product, they don't just become a customer, they become a subscriber on your list. That list becomes one of your most valuable assets. It's often said that one email subscriber equals $1 per month in income potential. So a list of 1,000 people, that could easily generate $1,000 or more every month, especially if you're promoting relevant products consistently, even if those products aren't yours. Because as your list grows, you can also become an affiliate marketer, promoting other high-quality digital offers and earning commissions for every sale. It all starts with one lead magnet, one email, one connection. In the next module, we'll talk about how to launch your funnel, get your first sales, and start scaling with confidence, even if you're starting with zero audience.